Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. During the Prophet's ailment, some people came to inquire after his health. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam led them in prayer sitting. They were about to perform the prayer standing, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam beckoned to them to sit down. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Imam is there to be followed. So when he bows down, you must bow down. When he raises his head, you must lift yours. If he leads the prayer in sitting posture, you must as well perform the prayer in sitting posture. Abu Abdullah, Imam Bukhari narrates that Humaydi said, this hadith has been revoked for the last prayer which the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam led. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed it sitting while the people were standing behind him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5658.